Hey guys, Jose here. So today we're here at my home. It's a beautiful day, so we're gonna do some yard work. And I really don't know what else to make content about, so we're gonna do a video of me putting down some landscape fabric. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, what did you think of that intro? That was pretty rad, right? I've been planning it for a while. So please like, comment, and subscribe down there. I'd appreciate it. Comment, let me know what kind of videos you guys want me to make in the future. Alright, so what I wanted to tell you guys about was the landscape fabric. My work with it is pretty limited. As you can see here, this is one little area that I've done. This area used to grow lots of weeds on a weekly basis, really hard to maintain. So I finally put the landscape fabric down so you can kind of see finished product. Come with me over here. As you can see, this is another area here that I've also settled down with landscape fabric and mulch. Yeah, this area used to have a lot of weeds too. I took them out the other day when it was raining. It was easier to pull. And then this is what we're going to be working on today. This little area, I already pulled off all the weeds and took off all the landscape bricks so that we can kind of get everything ready to go. Let's get this started. Here with the landscape fabric, this is a Vigoro product I bought from Home Depot. I'll link it in the description. Also got some garden staples. So basically you first want to pin it down with these staples so you can get a good foundation to pull the rest. Go on the edges here. You can use like a rubber mallet if you want. I'm just going to try to stick it in with my hands. That kind of worked, yeah. Okay. This is where I'm gonna put the brick so I can feel the indent here. I'll put one right here. We're gonna put mulch over this so it'll look a little bit better. And you wanna put a landscape staple every like 2 feet, 2-3 feet, whatever feels more comfortable and stable for you. Alright guys, not my best work. It was pretty difficult to get the round around this electrical work. Well, I guess in time I'd get better at it. Now it's time for the mulch.